Are you looking for a fully adjustable and powerful air purifier to filter and clean indoor environments, especially in large rooms? The Cleanforce Mega 1000 air purifier delivers impressive results and outperforms the competition. Let's take a look. Firstly, what is a real large space air purifier? As you can see, there are 4 types of purifiers: the desktop, the medium, the large, and finally, our super large Cleanforce Mega 1000. The desktop CADR is designed for around 100 to 160 cubic meters per hour, and the purification area is between 180 and 240 square feet. A typical price for this kind of apparatus is less than $150 US. The medium unit has a larger capacity CADR, designed for around 200 to 500 cubic meters per hour, and the purification area is between 360 and 900 square feet. A typical price for this kind of apparatus is less than $300 US. The large unit even has a larger capacity CADR, designed for above 500 cubic meters per hour with a purification area of above 900 square feet. The price depends on the brand, but typically between $400 to $1,200 US. And now, let me introduce you to our super large unit, Cleanforce Mega 1000. Don't be afraid of its size. There are 4 sturdy wheels at the base of the unit. That means it can be effortlessly moved around. This fully certified air purifier has a CADR reach of 1,000 cubic meters per hour. It rapidly cleans up to 3,227 square feet within 30 minutes and 6,455 square feet within an hour. The purification capacity beats the majority of air purifiers on the current market today. It is Energy Star certified, ETL listed, FCC certified, has an EPA registration, and is approved by Prop 65 and the California Air Resource Board, CARB. So, you know you're getting a top-performing device that is way superior to other purifiers. Now let's check out the filtration system. Most air purifiers have only one filtration system with one set of filters. The Cleanforce Mega 1000 air purifier has 2 filtration systems consisting of 2 extra large plastic pre-filters and 2 multi-integrated filter sets, which offer up to 8 layers of filtration. The plastic pre-filters are washable and serve as the first line of defense against larger particles. The true HYPER filter is expensive. However, our unique design extends the life of filter sets and make it last at least 4,300 hours. Our multi-integrated filter sets combine a non-woven cloth, an H13 medical grade HYPER filter, and an activated carbon filter, all in one. The H13 medical grade HYPER filter removes 99.97% of fine particles and allergens as small as 0.1 microns. The superior coconut shell activated carbon filter absorbs smoke, wildfire smoke, cooking odours, pet odours and VOCs. Our filters are made larger than other ordinary air purifier filters. This is why they offer a genuinely extra large capacity. Now, let's look at the touchscreen panel on the top of the device. It's very easy to use. Simply press the function key like this. And for your convenience, you can also use a remote control. One cool feature is the smart mode, giving you a real-time data response to the air quality. Here, you will see the 4 coloured indicator lights change in real time as the pollution level in the room changes. Red means poor air quality, yellow means moderate, green is good, and blue is excellent. Our HD LED display shows the particle index number and filter service in real time. You'll be instantly aware of the air quality conditions and then know when to change your filter. The Cleanforce Mega 1000 offers the best purification capacity, combined with an amazing high-tech function, making it the most cost-effective air purifier available. If you research air purifiers, you will discover it's hard to find an air purifier with a CADR greater than 800 cubic meters per hour. And the cost is usually between $500 to $1,200 US, maybe more. Our product represents great value for money. Our machine reaches 1,000 cubic meters per hour, fully verified. Our Energy Star test report states the Cleanforce Mega 1000 CADR results reported are above the maximum limits of measurability of the AHEM AC1 2019. It's in a class all of its own, delivering superior results and more value than any other competing product. Our customer service center is based in Chino, California. If you have any questions, please contact our support specialist at support@cleanforceair.com. Thanks for watching the video. We're excited to have you as a customer.